Hey, my name is Gustafsson and I work as interior designer at IKEA. I created this home for a family of 5. It's a multi-generational family. When I was thinking about this home, I wanted it to be a really nice and warm and friendly home without spending too much money. So that's why I chose to pick the lowest price products from IKEA. Even on a low budget, I wanted to show you that it's possible to create a beautiful and practical home. Sometimes when designing a home, it can be really fun to work to a strict brief. I decided that everything should be black and white in this home. The floor, the walls. I even picked a striped wallpaper in black and white for the hallway, for example. I love the black and white base, but of course it can be a little bit cold, so to soften it up I added wood and some brass and mustard colors and of course more patterns. Many of the low price products I have chosen in this home have hard surfaces and are quite square. That's why I have used some textiles to warm it up. I have used the rugs, low price rugs. I have put layer on layer to make them bigger. Some cushions in different patterns, but mostly in black and white. And also curtains, of course. I also worked a lot with lighting. I think it's super important when you are working with black and white furniture. It creates a warm feeling and you can work with different types of lighting, mood light, using dimmers. It can create a whole new atmosphere in the room. The most colorful you can add to a black and white home is the personality of all the family members. I have displayed different things that this family loves. It can be music instrument, it can be glassware, it can be cameras, it can be records. I even added a family tree in the hallway with a lot of family pictures. They really give this home a loved and cozy feeling.